Alright, so I'd like to show you how I book meetings with free quote IGDMs, and this is really useful, if you don't have much money to spend on paid ads, or as paid ads, sometimes, the accounts can get shut down, sometimes the, lead costs can get really expensive, and this is just as an additional channel so that, you're not, relying all your eggs on one basket, and you have an additional channel getting you leads as well. So we're using this IGDM software that costs $150 a month. It sends out 50 DMs a day. So in a month, it sends 1,500 messages. And initially, I thought, cold DMs wouldn't work in this year, but it still works, and it's generating us around 30 emails per month. And those that didn't give us their email and stuff, usually we send like 1 or 2 follow-ups, then it would. So this converts to around $5 per email lead, which is super affordable and super great, which compares well with paid ads as well, Although the conversion rate, it's, lower conversion rate in terms of booking a call and closing, but all you need to do is just close one deal and the software pays for itself. That's even $150 a month. You times the entire year, even $2,000. You just gotta close, you definitely close way more deals than that, So this is a definite ROI positive activity for most people. So your account gotta be optimized and look legit. You can either use your main account for this, or for our scenario, because our main account is, we're running ads and shoutouts, so we're using this for a sub and side account, because the risk of you using your main account to send cold DMs is, unless you're doing that fully, you might get action block and whatnot. So we're using this on our sub and side account, but usually you wouldn't get action block for 50 DMs a day, But we're using this for our side account, not our main account. Just make sure that your sub or side account, has over 1,000 followers, so it looks legit. It doesn't look like a spam or impersonator. Your bio, you tag your main account. So you can see over here, Digital Millionaire Club. I tag myself at Royston G. King, and my main account follows my sub account, so people know that this is a true account that belongs to me. For the IG stories, you can repost from your main account. And for the main feed post, you can just add as a collaborator. So you don't need to repost anything. With this new Instagram feature, you can just, add as a collaborator, as you can see on the right. So it looks more legit, For our side account, I only add all the testimonials and results as the main feed post. I don't do the normal content post and stuff. I only do that with our main account. For the sub account, it's just all the results and testimonials, because I feel that's way more relevant. Okay, yeah, and in the middle, wanted to show, yep, that's it. Okay. So the messaging sequence that it's working for us right now is, hey, first name, so it's always providing free value and training to get them to just reply yes. The first message, if you send a cold DM, is just to get them to say a yes, So you can see our message over here. Hi, Ruby, I've seen, you're looking to make extra, income online. It depends what you're selling, Let's say it's a weight loss offer. Hey, I see that, you're looking to lose weight, right? And I see you're looking to get a fit body or whatnot. I have a free course or free video training that has helped over this amount of people like yourself. So it's just to get them to say yes, 80% of time they would say yes. And once they say yes, we just ask them for their email. What's your best email? Send it to. 20% of the time, when they're not comfortable giving it, you send your opt-in to your free course and training so that they need to insert their email. So if they do not want to give their email out, you do not send the direct training or course link, but you send an opt-in. So in that way, even if they don't give their email, you still capture it that way. Then only after that you ask for the email. So that shows that trying to build value first for asking for the email. And if they still are hesitant to give their email, then you just send the free course and training without the opt-in, then ask for the email to send them more free bonuses stuff. So that's how you get their email. And why we always want to capture their email, so that, you don't have to like, if you want to follow up and nurture these people, you can do it via email, not just like one-on-one DMs, which is not scalable in that sense. That's why we always try to get the email first. So the nurturing message sequence, this is the same nurturing message sequence we use for our warm leads as well as for our cold leads. Number one, we always ask for their email. Number two is we send over the free course and training link and ask after that, hey, what's your goal in, let's say, making extra income, Then after that, we ask, what's the challenge in stopping them from achieving that? So that's how, we ask for the solution, what they're trying to achieve. Then we ask what the challenge problem is. We create the problem so that they know that they have a problem that's not solved, Then after that, we use the feel, felt, found method, as you can see on the right. For example, hey, I feel, for example, feel, felt, found is, I feel, I understand how you feel. Having helped, over 1,000 people, they've all felt the same as you. And what I found to work best is this. So that's our script right now. I understand how you feel. Having helped 1,000 other people, those people felt the same. And I found this to be the best way to solve this, Then after that, you ask them to schedule a call. And usually, a lot of times they would schedule a call. If they haven't scheduled a time or call yet, this is the follow-up sequence that you can send, So when you follow up with people, you want to follow up with different angles, Don't just spam them with like, or just bumping up, or just like, hey, this and that, because that wouldn't work, We've tried already, like, where we just follow up with people just saying, hey, bump for your convenience, hey, check the previous message and stuff. It doesn't work, So if you want to follow up with people to schedule a time and call, you got to use different angles. Different angles is different sort of messaging. For example, one is we ask for their phone number to send them like more free bonuses and calls. The second is you send over the free Facebook group or community link. Then after that, you go back to the main question, which is book a call. So you're giving them free value, Or you resend the free course and training or calendar link. Because sometimes people, like you send it at the top, they skip it, so you got to resend it to them. And last but not least, you ask them what's stopping them from scheduling a call, Once you've exhausted all these different follow-up angles and stuff, usually, we just leave it as that, So bonus tips is, just manually follow, if you're, with a sub or side account or even your main account. This works really well in a less crowded niche. We've tested this for another offer that we have. Just manually following the followers of your competitors, in addition to sending cold DMs, helps really grow your account, We did this for way less, untapped, crowded market. And just by following this, we're growing our account by thousands of followers, in a few days, And some people will even DM you if your bio says, hey, DM you for XYZ, Like DM, if your bio says DM you for like free course or free training and stuff. And if they are skeptical of your sub or side account as an impersonation or spam account, just tell them that, you can see your main account is following your side account so that they know it's legit, So I'll leave you with that and hope this helps.